how to create quick rings in Krita. Go over here to the gradient tool, click here and select a preset. One of the presets, I'm just going to go with this one. Now your preset will probably be different from mine. Edit, and I'm going to go with, got white here and black there. I want black, so black. However, I'm going to add another stop there, just very close to this, because I want, that's the thickness for the ring. So click there and set it to black. So you can set the color there, click there, make sure you don't click that one. And now what I want is an extra white. So just with this one, I could drag it over here and you can see now it's crunched up again. That's reasonable, but you can also add another white there and have it like that if you want. And click OK. Go here to Tool Options. You can find that in the Settings and Dockers. Down here, Tool Options. And I'm going to go with Radial and Alternating. And then just drag out. And you can see now, because of the thickness of the line, the black there, go there, just make it very small. You can see obviously you've got thinner there. However, you can go back to this, click there, edit, and you can just move it. Just move that way, move it that way. Make the lines a bit thicker. So click OK, and again apply it. And you can see now you've got slightly thicker rings than before. If you want a different colour, of course, and you can apply it to this. So I'm just going to go over here, click there, and again, edit. You don't have to go with there, click there, and maybe go with, say, red. And again, click there, and also go with red as well. Click OK, and now apply. And you can see now you've got your red one. If you want both, what you need to do, just go here to the blend modes and go with, say, darken, and you can apply it, and you can see then you've got the red and the black as well. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. Thank you much.